You can analyze your Twitter posts, anything, whatever the things you have been posted so far, what are the tweets you have been done so far. If you like to analyze your Twitter posts, you can use this one, more option, analytics, more option, analytics, to create a, to check the Twitter ads, Twitter post. Okay, in case if it is not asking like a Twitter post like this, okay, if you are not getting this particular page, it will ask start analytics. You click on that one, then you can check here tweets. Okay, in tweets, what are the tweets you have been done so far. We not done any tweets, so it has not shown. Okay, you can check the tweets you have been done so far. Okay, top tweets or the replies for your tweet or a promoted one. Okay, like this we can check the how many impression is nothing but how many time your tweets has been displayed in others account. Okay, and how many times they have been click and check your tweets. Okay, engagement rate, you will come to know that when it is divided. Okay, this will help that in the sense how your content is reaching or not. This will give the how far you are reaching, like how many people you are reaching, and how many of them are showing an interest. That is nothing but engagement. The engagement rate gives the percentage reach by, not reach, engagement by the, in the sense, interest by the your followers or any general public for your content. Okay, so this engagement rate should be higher and higher. Okay, if you're given any links within a tweet, you have been linked any of your web page or anything, is there anyone click on that or not, it will be given here. Okay, and a retweet without comment, in the sense they have been forwarded your tweet to tweet in their wall. In the sense we say that in Facebook sharing, right? Similarly here we are calling it as a retweet. In the sense they have been shared your tweet. Okay, then it is comes to the like, how many likes you are getting for your tweet you have been done. Okay, average, on an average basis here it is given, and top tweets, everything here, that in detail you will get to know about your insight. This will help you to know about your engagement with the audience, in the sense how much percentage you are able to attract a audience. Okay, here again you can change the date also here. Okay, and you can export this data by tweets or by days. You can export into a Excel format to have your reference. Okay, similarly here you can change the account also. Okay, if you have a multiple account, we can switch it to the other account also by using here. You can sign out from the analytics. Okay, and if you come to the home page, it will give the dashboard like 28 days what are the things happened. Okay, if you're going to tweet, it is nothing but in detail about each tweet wise we can uh, we can analyze and we can check. And in more option, we have a videos, like if you have posted any videos, what is the reaction for that one. Okay, for that particular videos, we can check the what is the reaction for that particular videos you haven't posted. Similarly that it works like a tweet, but only thing here it is a, we are checking about a videos, how many of them view and how many of them completed, in the sense they saw entire video. Okay, we'll come to know that one here, how many minutes they have been watched. Okay, we'll come to know that what's exactly going on your Twitter account by using this particular analytics, by using a analytics. Okay, this is the one more important uh, way to analyze your Twitter account, so that to create a much better content, or you will come to know that is my business is reaching or not. Okay, we'll come to know that by using this analytics.